afternoon. Welcome. This is Jamb year 2010 government objective past question. Question number one. Question number one. And the question here says, which government paper type is given to you? Option A, type A. Option B, type B. Option C, type C. Option D, type D. By the paper type here, and what is written on top of this question is type D. Therefore, our correct option to this simple and bonus question is option D, which is type D. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. So kindly subscribe for more of our videos.